same country that's been divided into two, parts by our forefathers way back in 1947.
Pakistan and India have had that history. But again, the culture, the language, it's all very similar.
Forget about the wars, forget about the strife, forget about all the troubles that you have.
It's very challenging.
This pitch of competition is really troubling us now.
Indians and Pakistanis can live in peace, in harmony, and let music be the unifying factor.
See you again, फिर कभी.
So we are Euphoria. We are from New Delhi, India. India being on the other side of Pakistan. Pakistan being on the other side of India.
We are Strings. We took a break in February because we were into a new project and we were producing something. And we were not taking any concerts. This is the only concert we have actually accepted after that break because it was interesting.
It's that part of our lives which I think we've all been really looking forward to because this concert has made us ask questions to ourselves.
We have really contrasting personalities.
I think that's the beauty. Right now we have completely different approach. They have different approach.
What better than India and Pakistan to bridge that cultural gap with music, It's ideal. Can't get any better.
As a musician, you need something. You need something different.
Two stages simultaneously, two bands simultaneously. Wow. If I was the audience, I really feel somebody's pimped my ride.
Of course, we want crowd to just yell for us. They will want the crowd to just yell for them. But eventually, we feel that this is going to be really amazing for the people.
We have to do the same songs we've been doing for so long in a completely new format, completely new vibe, genre of music. So that's been a challenge. And then there's something called Takeover, which is we take over one of their songs, they start a song, we take it over, and then we start one of our songs and they take it over. So that's going to be really, really exciting.
Strings, take it away! Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4!
We are so similar. Let's just capture this moment just between you and us. All the lights off and all the phones out. It should be a planet with lots of stars. Lots of stars.
Wow.
Wow.
What are their stories? What makes them laugh and what makes them cry and what makes them angry? What makes them fight? Why do these two countries are always at war when the people have no problems with each other? Why should a cricket match turn into a battleground? Just sport should be left alone to be sport. So that I think are the inspirations.
Euphoria. The stage is all yours.
वो भी यूफोरिया के साथ।
बट फैसल, ये वाला हिसाब किताब करने दे, मैं बता रहा हूँ बहुत सही हो रहा है यहाँ पे हिसाब किताब।
अभी जीतने वाले हैं, लास्ट के अंदर में 93 हो गया था, जीतने वाले हैं हम।
क्या कहते हो?
मैं तो ये कहता हूँ दोनों साथ मिल जाते हैं, रेड बुल वालों की लेते हैं।
अरे तो देर किस बात की है? आ जाओ,
आ जाएं,
आ जाओ।
क्या कहते हो? वहां चले जाओ तो चलो।
We have brothers in Pakistan, and I told them, no, you have brothers in India. We've taken the brotherhood thing to another level.
Sound, music, peace. We were born in Pakistan, we live in Pakistan, but our heart and soul is always with Indians.
Red Bull, Soundfest, thank you, Dubai.